January. Time for a week's reprieve in the back and beyond. This time we're headed to Ardnamurchan.
Are we moving?
The force is strong.
No, the current is strong.
The force is strong.
No, it's the current that's strong.
Because we go along this coast a bit, don't we?
Oh, yeah.
Onto Ardnamurchan.
Oh, yeah. Very good.
Oh, there's the name of where we're going. Ardnamurchan. This long spit of land that juts out from the mainland above the Isle of Mull has been waiting to be rediscovered for a while now. We got to Ardnamurchan via the Corran ferry. This little boat ride cut off a chunk of a drive, although there's nothing speedy about this particular shortcut. Once across the loch, it's a 40+ mile trip down a largely single-track road, winding through the landscape, taking you as far west as you can go on mainland Britain. Too bad we picked a bad week for weather, but with a warm cottage home from home, at least we can get warm and dry again after battling the elements.
I'm just saying, we're living in a world of luxury this time round. No bothies.
Nobody's what?
No bothies.
Nobody's what?
Bothies. Cottage.
I know. Come in, sit on the chair and talk to me.
Oh yeah.
Oh dear. No, don't come in.
I can blur you out. I could give you a big blurry mess.
Our cottage was situated in the teeny tiny hamlet of Achesnich. Just half a dozen houses make up this place, and it's sandwiched halfway between the lighthouse at Ardnamurchan Point and the beaches of white sand at Santa Bay, putting both in easy walking reach.
It's not a bad view, is it?
On day one, our afternoon stroll took us down to the beach at Portwark, where we picked up a coastal path that led round to Sana.
Excuse me. Where are we going? Can't hear you. No, you have to face me.
Sana Bay. God knows how we get back. That's where we're going.
Excuse me now. Can you tell me what that beach is called?
Sana.
Sana.
I was going to go into a song.
Do you know many songs that
I'd got
have
that.
the word Sana
it's
in
not
them?
Sana. What's the word? What's the song?
I don't know.
Is he not Sanadu?
Sing it.
I'm going to Google that later.
Right.
The search engines are available.
Yes, DuckDuckGo is one. Another fantastic Scottish beach.
couple of sharp downpours, but the sun kept getting through, creating that Scottish light, the inky skies and deep blue-green seas, and the sun warming up the land, if only temporarily. The beaches at San are sweet round, they look good in the winter light, and tropical in the summer. Our second day's walk took us in the opposite direction, where the hills and mountains fall right down into the sea at Bay McNeil. I loved this beach, with views across to the lighthouse and driftwood that had been strewn in on the rough tides. There's even a small caravan park that looks like something from back in time, nestled in the sand dunes. I'm pretty sure you could hide away from the world here and not be found for some time. Westerly Point on Mainland, Britain.
Yeah.
Look at that, did you see that?
Yeah. I did.
After a week of very dreary weather, it was time to leave. We woke up to more dreary skies, but decided to drive off the peninsula to take in some unseen bits of Scotland and drive along some previously undriven roads. We stopped at Teoram Castle. As we arrived, the clouds began to part company, and the sun shone for the first time properly all holiday. I really wanted to get across to explore the castle, and despite my efforts, which admittedly included stripping down to my pants on the bottom half and trying to paddle across, nearly freezing my feet off in the process. I never quite made it. The passing remained just that bit too deep. So I guess we'll have to come back another time.